For PLI benefit, it has been a huge shot in the arm for medical industry. Today, for the 1 billion Indian people, medical and healthcare sector is a huge deal from an accessibility and affordability perspective. And at GE Healthcare and Wipro GE, we have leveraged and have launched an exclusive factory for leveraging PLI called MDM, Medical Device Manufacturing. Today, we have state-of-the-art CT, MRI machines that we manufacture in our factories and roll out of the factories. And this factory is also an all-women factory that we have within our facility. PLI scheme from the Ministry of Pharmaceuticals and Department of DOP has been a big help for the medtech industry, and we have been leveraging it, and I would like to congratulate and thank the ministries, the department, as well as the PMA.